Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for waiting on our next video. Get your needles ready. We'll be completing the sewing portion of this install.
You're going to start by threading the needle. Pull an arm's length 3 times to have enough thread. You will put the threads end to end, then tie a knot to secure the needle.
To begin, we're going to sew down the remaining free end. The goal is to fill in as many free spaces between the parts on the wings and the center of the body of the butterfly.
Lightly saturate the scalp with anti-itch oil, as there will be hard to reach places once the install is complete. Most clients love this part because it soothes their scalp.
Start with the threaded needle and the longest bundle of hair. You're going to pierce the weft 3 times for a firm hold and start the install on the right side of the head. Be sure to pivot up towards the top of the ear. This allows for a more seamless perimeter.
Sew the beginning of the weft by attaching it to the braid and stitch 3 times. Then secure the end of the row by triple stitching. Fold the weft inward to begin the second row. Start by sewing just through the bundle, then backstitch to the left and sew through the braid to secure the fold. Again, triple stitch at the fold to ensure it is secure.
Sew in an under and up motion. Be mindful to pull at a medium tension. Don't pull too tight, this may cause damage, and don't pull too loosely, you want the sew-in to last.
Remember, closeness is key to prevent a gappy style. Closing off the bundle is simple. Secure it, make a knot, and then cut the remaining thread. As you can see, the bottom is full and almost seamless around the perimeter. For the center of the install, we will use 2 bundles at once. Pierce through both bundles and secure as you did with the first bundle. The purpose of this is to create a fuller style. Pinch the wefts together while sewing to fill in the spaces as well as reduce bulkiness.
For the final bundle, again start by piercing the weft and secure 3 times. You will sew following the shape of the leave out. Be sure to complete the smallest side first. As you close the entire install, lay the weft in a horizontal manner, all while following the leave out again.
Closing the bundle is easy once again. You stitch, you create a knot, and you cut the excess thread. Now you begin to cut the excess cap. The client sleeve out and extensions could get in the way, so please take your time when doing this part. We have finally completed the sewing portion of this install. Thank you ladies for staying with us and watching this. Now we will move on to the styling portion of it. We should have a video coming soon. If not, get creative with yours. Thanks for watching. Let us know how it works for you.